Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This time, please join me in our family Dubai and Turkey adventures together with my family in the Philippines. Enjoy! This is mother. This is sister. Say hi. Hi.
Basta ba sa akin yung wedge? Sukat niya. Bakit kasi ng paa mo? Siyete paa mo ba?
Our first stop is Marina Dinner Cruise. Admire the sights of Dubai Marina Cruise. This is actually illuminated on an evening boat. In an evening boat cruise with a buffet dinner and non-alcoholic drinks. It's a very busy, enjoyable evening and we had an amazing time enjoying the views. And the amazing world's largest Ferris wheel that is called Aim Dubai. That is Palm Jumeirah, a famous man-made island. It's actually a must visit for people wanting to experience the high life. It is shaped like a palm tree when viewed from above, and these are amongst Dubai's most expensive neighborhood. As you can see, we stayed at Swiss Hotel Al Marouj. It's a resort style. It's a resort style hotel directly opposite to the Dubai Mall. The iconic Burj Khalifa is 10 minutes walk to Dubai Metro Station and located in downtown Dubai, and 15 minutes drive from Dubai International Airport. We also get to experience the desert safari. Actually, this is one of the most popular and memorable activity here in Dubai because you get to experience an exciting drive on a 4x4 dune bashing for like 30 minutes. Dune bashing means like driving at an increasing and decreasing speeds over sand dunes, and well, which is actually entirely safe. Enjoy the ride, guys. We had a barbecue dinner with live entertainment. We actually paid extra in order for us to get the VIP treatment, where they will get to serve you the food without having to fall in line anymore. And the food served is unlimited.
Lami, ang susana ba? Lami. Ano ito?
As I mentioned earlier, we are located in downtown Dubai and walking distance to Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. And actually, this is one of the world's largest shopping malls in UAE. While Burj Khalifa is the tallest tower in the world and one of the top attractions to visit in Dubai, it's also called at the top sky because it's in the 163rd floors. Mall in the world. And now we are inside Dubai Mall, and as you can see, there's a lot of signature brands here, and yeah, you can go shop. Abu Dhabi is one of the places we were supposed to visit, but due to some requirements that we weren't able to provide, we need to change our plan and went to visit this place. Well, we had a road trip instead for about like 2-3 hours. And yeah, let me show you again, guys, the hotel that we stayed in, which is Swiss Hotel Al Marouj, before we finally say goodbye on this trip, and then heading on to Turkey. And now we're finally here in Istanbul, Turkey, together with my mom, my youngest sister, his husband Arthur, and my nephew Ken. My eldest sister and my other brother was not able to come with us due to some visa problem. So basically, it's just us. This is our first dinner in Istanbul, Turkey after arriving. We stayed here in it's Doubletree Moda Hotel, which is a 5-star hotel located in Kadıköy, Istanbul. Basically an Asian side near the seashore between Moda and Kadıköy district. We were walking distance from the ferry and metro links to the European side. This is our first day breakfast in the hotel before our tourist guide picked us up at around 10 o'clock in the morning. This will be our first and last day tour here in Istanbul before heading to Cappadocia later tonight. Our flight is actually around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so we need to be done around 4 p.m. And then heading to Istanbul airport for our Cappadocia flight tonight.
Of course, the ladies, if they wanna use the scarf, they can use
We get to visit the most famous landmark of Istanbul by the help of our tourist guide. I'm sorry, I forgot his name already. He picked us up from our hotel and brought us to Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, the Grand Bazaar, Galata Tower, and the Sultanahmet Square. While this ice cream prank is a tradition here in Turkey where ice cream sellers make their customers reach for a cone before pulling it away and continuing the trick. And yeah, it's Ken. He's really enjoying it.
Oh my god.
we don't need because there's a sound system and a microphone right now. But still we are adding that pillar because when you have the church from outside, it's very similar to the mosque. That's why it's adding minaret. When you see that minaret, that pillar, 100% is a mosque. If there is no minaret, if there is no that pillar, it's gonna be church. So because of that reason, white part belonged to Ottoman Empire and the red part belonged to Romans. And she paid the money. She built that Turkish baths, like a taking shower
wanna try
and a
that.
massage. But you have no time for that. This is
No,
the
not
most
now.
famous and the most expensive one. Why?
Yeah.
Because the queen during the Ottoman Empire time, the most famous queen also, Hürrem, which is very famous. She built that Turkish bath and she washed and she had a massage.
And the semi-rose with quarto.
The Blue Mosque. But the original name of the mosque is Sultan Ahmet Mosque. In 1609 they started to build.
Say hi. Hi. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, after one day tour of Istanbul, Turkey, and we're now heading to Cappadocia. And the easiest way to get from Istanbul to Cappadocia is definitely by flying. You can also do it by train, but it's cheaper than you think by flying. And we fly through Turkish Airlines the following day, and the flight time is only 80 minutes compared to if you're gonna do or ride a train, it'll take you about now 8 to 10 hours if I'm not mistaken, after 80 minutes of flight time. We stayed in a Century Cave Hotel. It's a terrace overlooking the ferry chimney rock formations, and this stone built is located in the center of Jerome. Breakfast here is already included, which is good. Flying hot air balloons depends on the weather, mainly the wind speed and direction. And we are, well, unfortunate that we didn't experience flying the hot air balloons. But there's always next time. There's a green and red tour, but we chose green tour instead. It's actually a full day tour that covers some of the best attractions, including the underground city, the Ihara Valley, Selim Monastery, and Pigeon Valley, which you can see later in my video. And due to a very limited time, we also fly back from Cappadocia to Istanbul the same day after our whole day tour in Cappadocia.
Up there.
Yes, it's the seat, huh? So,
We arrived late last night from Cappadocia going to Istanbul due to bad weather condition. So arriving in Istanbul is like already 1 o'clock, 12 midnight, and we were able to get back to our hotel around 1 o'clock because the drive is like about an hour. And now after our 2-day stay in Istanbul and Cappadocia, now we're heading back to Istanbul International Airport. And now this is the end of my Dubai and Istanbul tour. Thank you again guys for watching and hope to see you again in my next vlog. Bye!